Friends, one thing I want to say you. First of all, I would like to say you all of us good morning, because daily by daily I make video, but sometime I have any work, and as well as I am preparing one things English speaking course. So every time I have no time that I can make video. So friends, in now I want to listen you one about one story, which is that in what is your ambition? Yeah. And now one things I want to give you, and this is motivational matter, is now is you will do same way you will get future. Yeah. If you will wake up at night, if you will wake up at night, that 5 years after you have to not do something hard working. Yeah. So friends, whatever I want to say, please you explain. I am saying the Jack Ma is saying the Jack Ma is richest man in China. So the Jack Ma is saying that today you might be you may difficult. Yeah. In tomorrow you may any sorrow, but day past day any your flower will be bloom. Yeah. So friends, in now you are feeling that what is my mission, can I reach there? Yeah. In some time our heart is feeling like this, that what is my mission, can I reach there? No, you can reach there. You don't think negative. If you will think negative, that future will be your negative like this. So friends, every time you think positive. Yeah. And now till now I had no any friend, but now we got one friend. So for that I am very happy. But my friends told me, please you make that video whatever I told you. But so now I am feeling very say. So I'm not making that video. But in first of all I will read about I will read that topic clearly. After that I will make that video. So friends, as far as I have knowledge, I am saying you, please whatever you have ability, please you search that. Yeah. God given all of us one ability, but we don't search that. What is ability? Friends, I want to explain you in the way you are hardworking. Please you continue to do this. You don't leave this. In 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 4 years, in if your time will be take time 10 years, but no problem that in 10 years after you will get success, that in that will be better. Yeah. In now already in there are rural area, in wherever I go to any place, only in we have to speak mother tongue language. We have no any friend that I can speak English with them. Yeah. So in this is a language, and in this language, if we want learn English, that in this language, if we want this language, if we want learn this language, for this will be difficult. Because someone someone don't support you. Yeah, someone don't support you, that so you are getting difficult. If someone will support you, that in any friend you will have, that in sometime you can talk with you, that your difficult will not be any, that for that you can be easy. Yeah. So friends, in I made one channel. In now my channel has no any subscriber, only 28, but my channels will be grow one day. In now, in 1 years, 2 years, 3 years after, will come money. And this is my personal channel, and one channel made also, that is a comedy video. But now in that channel, that channel is closed, that all groups has not is not agree, so that channel is closed. So friends, I have to say you, the time is very important. Remember what I'm saying. If now you will wake up at night, that especially you know one matter, in especially laborers, laborers should quickly money. Yeah, what I'm saying, laborers should quickly money. And who is who is job? Yeah, he should he should money monthly, one date, 3 date. Who is getting job, and he should money monthly, that in my month is when is coming, my monthly is when is coming, in he should money monthly. And who is who is doing business, who is doing business, he should benefit 5 years after. He don't want, he don't want that my money in quickly will come. He wants, he wants in now I am doing, and I am studying, and I am doing business. In this benefit will come 5 years after, no problem. Okay, because you are not labor, you are a headman. So please you tolerate, in whatever, how much you tolerate, that how much you will get benefit. And now you are understanding that my channels in why not growing, why, what is problem. So friends, now in now I am speaking in same was time one day, that 1 year ago, in one translate I used to not speak. And now many translate I can speak. How is it impossible? Yeah. In same way, one day, in about 2 years, 3 years after, that I can speak any stage. And now my in when I speak, that any translate I am doing mistake. But in 5 years after, can be any translate will not be mistake. Yeah. So friends, I want to explain you that please first of all you complete study. In which subject you will go, which business you will go. First of all, first of all, your education will be important. If you have no education, that you can't go to reach that. Yeah. So friends, I want to explain you. Please you understand my matter, that what I'm saying. And if in like this I make video, I am not professor, I did not complete PhD, but what is my dream that in I want complete that in my dream has in first of all I want B.Ed. After that, if I will have money, that I can do PhD. Yeah. So unless in this world my life will be live, that I can't live steady. And this is my habit, my hobby. My hobby is reading. If one day, 2 day, 3 day, if I don't, I don't read, my heart is not feel good. Yeah, remember what I'm saying. So friends, I want to say you, please, you alarm. And what kind of your time will be saved? Please, you think that. And any place, you judgment, any dispute matter, any quarrels matter, you judgment, and you have no success. That your mind, you are not cunning boy. Yeah. So friends, first of all, you success that in now any friends wants to join with you when you will get success, when you will have more money, that time any peoples will come to you, and any peoples will say to you, please you give me some tricks that I can get success. Like this, any people will say to you, please you give me some tricks that I will go to that road, I will go to that tricks. And like this, someone will say to you. So friends, in first of all, you have to success that. After that, in any place you will go to, that everyone will respect you. Okay, because that time, your time will be changed. Yeah. Do you know one proverb that as you will do, as same you will get? Do you know that? So friends, in my mind it says that please you alarm that for future. Yeah. So friends, and now I have to teach the children in. I have some knowledge in English, so I teach that in. I know also that any translate I am doing mistake, but that in can be improved that. So friends, in I meet you with next video tomorrow.